think she's filling up. I don't know. I'm doing my thing. I can't even see her face. Hang on. Now I can see her. Stinks. Hang on. She said to bed. Moving in, moving out. Here's a good on it. I suppose I could actually see that.
That's my first poster.
Where is it? Hey! The door closed on me. The door closed on me. Closed on the camera. I just farted. Did you know that? I just farted. I'm going to put my funny effect in. I just farted. And it really stinks in here. When I went to Mummy's room, she's going to be like, "Pwah, you farted." That would be funny. Very funny. Right, I'm going to turn it off now.